They're rolling now, guys. They're rolling now. They're rolling out, guys. They're rolling out. Let's see. Look at this, guys. Woo, look at that, guys. Look at that. Damn.
Team right there, baby. Challenge. Hold on, hey, not for no more, not for no more.
Look at that. Let's see. Yeah, we're about to finish that. Everybody's just getting ready to go. We're right here in Bakersfield, off of 17 and H. Hey, look at this. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, baby. It is, guys. Woo! Damn. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Damn. Look at that, guys. Look at this one right here. Woo! It's lit out here, guys. It's lit. See, y'all gotta see everybody right now, right here. Woo! Nice, that was nice. See, right here we're catching every single car that was out here, guys. So everybody's coming out through here today. Look at this, guys. Oh, here comes the Carnales right here. Look at that. Yeah, that's nice. Look at that. I had it screen, guys. I got some more coming up from this side. Look at this, guys. It's nice. Look at this one right here. Look at this alcohol. Look at that, guys. Over there, look at that. Look at that scraper. Look at that, guys. Jeez. Look at that. It goes Majestic right there. Look at these guys. Woo. Yeah, that's sick. A little mini truck. There's a Lincoln right here. Clean. It was right here on 17 and G Street today, right here in Bakersfield. But every other Friday of the month, we have it right there in Chester, the cruise night, for those that want to come down. Right now, they're just gonna go cruising. Look at that little truck. That truck is big. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, that truck is pretty sick. Yeah, look at that. It's clean. Look at that, guys. Yeesh. Yeah, we're leaving, guys. Everybody's about leaving already. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, there you guys have it. The rest of the cars are about to start leaving. Look at that. Woo! We're out here having fun while my son over there passed the hell out in the car. Oh, you're welcome, guys. You're welcome. We still got more cars out here that they haven't taken off yet, but they'll be leaving soon too. Because we had to leave out of here already. Let's see, look at that. They're trying to start a little troquita right here so they can get. I'm right here off 17 and G Street in Bakersfield. That's where I'm at. That's where I'm at, people. Yeah, look at this. That's a nice old school truck. They're gonna start it out right now so they can take off. See, we're the only ones left out here in this side, but shout out to San Diego, everybody out there from SD. See, cars are leaving already, so there's only a few of them out here left and stuff. So the majority of them that were out here, they're already gone. There's a few cars left, but saludos to everybody out there in New Mexico. See, a lot of these cars are already about to get even load up out there. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to get this to you guys. Now the rest is gotta go. So everybody have a good one, and thank you for joining in my live stream. And everybody have a good one, and see you in 2 weeks. Probably be going live stream again. And no, I don't know. I didn't hear nothing about cruising tonight, anything. But no, that'd be kind of nice. We could go cruising down in Chester, but I don't know. It wasn't planned. Yeah, we didn't plan that. So, but yeah, look at that. That is badass right there. Look. It's a nice little troquita right there. See, there's still more cars out there and down at the other end over there. Still cars out here, but they're trying to start a little troquita right there, but they're having a little hard time. Yeah. Nice. Well, I gotta say, today was a good day. It was a good show, good time. Don't forget about your car, man. You told me don't forget about it. But can I take one of those to go home? Look at that, guys. Steel cars out there.
The back, Carnal. Drink all the fucking beer. Yes, again. Right now. Square up. Right now. Let's handle this.
Look at that, guys. There's more cars out there coming out. Yeah. That right there is a bad sucker right there. That's a badass ride. Loud as hell too. But yep, here we are, guys. Everybody's about to leave. I think I'm about to leave too, so there's no need for me to turn around and stuff. So gotta go take care of some stuff. Yeah, here it is.